Hello everyone, I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Today we've got some apartment intercom systems. Now this works in the business as well. This is an R28A, and so this would mount at the front entrance of your apartment building or your business, and the directory of everyone in here shows up. So if you have tenants, you can scroll through the list of people and then type in the number that shows up here. It will ring their cell phone, and then after they've spoken to the person and confirmed their identity, you can press a number on the cell phone and it will release the door and let them into the building. So one of the great things about this is its size. It makes it very easy to mount on the inside of a building. It is IP67 compliant, so it is weatherproof and can be mounted on the outside. Now you notice here there's a camera on the front as well. So if you are using telephone service like a VoIP service that is video compliant, you can actually see the person on your phone as well. So it's a great product, easy to install. You'll find this on our web store at www.buyphonesonline.ca. Now we have another version of this as well. You'll find that on our web store as well, buyphonesonline.ca, with all the information. And it's got some other great features like a temperature sensor for the person to see if they're if they've have a fever and can block them that way. And it also has a reader in it for a credential fob. So check that out on our web store.